YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today I'm going to be opening up a third hobby box of 2021 Topps Allen Ginter. My goal for opening, I have 3 more boxes after this box. I got these from Cards Infinity. My goal is to pull a rip card out of one of these boxes to go with my rip card collection. And if you're wondering, rip cards are these. I'm actually going to rip this on the channel at some point because it's an extra one. I have 2 of these Altuve rip cards, and rip cards are they're a card that there's a little tab on here, and it is not, these cards are already very rare. Like, this is numbered out of 60, but you can also, it says rip it or keep it. So there's a little tab here. You pull that little tab down, and inside here there's another card. So just read what it says. If you dare, rip this card open to discover a collectible exclusive mini card embedded inside. Inside this card will be a red mini autograph card, which those are out of 10, or an exclusive mini parallel. That's the only way you can get. There's like it's a 50 card set, and the only way you can get those cards are from rip cards. So they're pretty rare. Or an exclusive mini wood parallel, which is a 1 of 1, or exclusive mini metal parallel, which is out of 3, or a 1 of a kind sketch card, so a little mini sketch card. Those are of course 1 of 1s. So you can get some really cool stuff in rip cards. But I like to collect the rip cards and just keep them sealed. I will rip them someday, but you know, I'm in no rush to. So let's see what we get in this box. So we have a box topper. I was hoping it'd be thick, because you can also get, these can be rip cards as well, but this is not going to be one. So let's go ahead and see what it is. It is Javier Baez. So that's a box topper. Congratulations. You've just opened a box topper card. Alright. I'm going to stay with top packs. Because it seems like the hits, Topps is really dumb. It seems like they always put the hits in the top packs of the box. They don't do that every time, but a lot of times they do. There's the odds. So just to make the video a little more interesting, and we'll go ahead and save those top 3 packs. Alright, so we got Mike Soroka. We got Greg Maddux. This is a Braves pack. Kyle Tucker, Lou Brock, Jacob deGrom. Ooh, there's an Ohtani. Very cool. Rookie mini Marquez, and this is the A&G back. And Birds of a Feather. That's the, by the way, Rainbow Lorikeet. That'd be cool to have as a pet. Alright, next pack. We got Larry Walker. This is a rookie Garrett. I think Garrett Crochet. Will Craig rookie. Anthony Rendon. Rocky Blyer. And Nomar Garciaparra. These are cool. These Far Far Away Galaxy insert minis. And another, what is going on here? 2 rainbow Lorikeets. You shouldn't get the same insert in the same box, I don't think. Trey Turner, Gary Carter, not Gary Carter, Joe Carter. This guy's head cracks me up, but I mean, he did get an Allen Ginter card, and I don't have one, so scoreboard for him. Soffer, Ben Soffer, boy with no job. P. Alonso, Brubaker rookie, Uncle Larry, who is Andrew McCutcheon. Here, you can read about that, what the deal is with this card there. Cody Bellinger and Arbutus. These tree insert cards. These look pretty nice. They're interesting. See on the back, it tells you about this type of tree. And that is just a regular mini. Eric Hosmer, Brad Keller, Miguel Cabrera, Pudge, Marcus Stroman, Paul Molitor, Keston Hiura Black Border Mini, and a Murad Max Scherzer, I believe. Yep. Now, a lot of my Murad cards have been off-center. This one's really well-centered, so hopefully I get a nice one here that's well-centered. So, one of the players I'm looking for. Brian Hayes, that's a nice rookie card. I'll go ahead and sleeve it. One of the better rookies this year. We'll go Jack Flaherty, Albert Abreu, Smith, Bianca Smith, baseball coach, Ryan Mountcastle rookie, Harold Baines, Jack Flaherty mini, and yeah, this one's pretty decently centered too. So I'm excited. I'm getting some well centered ones of those. That's Ryan Mountcastle, by the way. We got Simon Baker, Joey Votto, Zach Greinke, Mookie Betts, Mariano Rivera, Yogi Berra, Jim Thome, Black Border, and a Babe Ruth Murad card. Nolan Ryan, Honus Wagner, Jim Thome, Paul DeJong, Bissinger, Campusano rookie, Stevenson rookie mini, and rallying back the West Indian Manatee. Little sea cow. So we got Brim, Stilo Brim, Tom Seaver, Barry Larkin, Will Smith, KG, Ken Griffey Jr., Jackie Robinson. Man, what is going on with this? I've had 4 of these weird type of inserts and doubles of both the ones I've got. That's not good job by Topps. Short print mini, Jack Morris, Tony Gonsolin, Byron Buxton, Jorge Soler, the Beebs, Pavin Smith, Alan Trammell. We got a Sand Shark. Now watch, the next one of these I'll get will be a Sand Shark. And then Austin Meadows mini. Mickey Moniak rookie, Jesus Luzardo, Frank Thomas, Leody Taveras, Ryan Sandberg, AJ Puck, Daz Cameron Black Border rookie, and Ichiro insert. Mark Canna, Dylan Carlson rookie, Willie Castro, Davey Garcia rookie, Alejandro Kirk rookie, Josh Donaldson, Kirby Yates, short print mini, and Jackie Robinson insert card. Isaac Paredes rookie, Manny Machado, Chris Brinkley, that's a basketball trainer, Andres Galarraga, James Kaprelian rookie, Jack Morris, Paul Molitor mini. This is a short print. Seems like I get this card a lot. And Alex Rodriguez. I'm pretty sure I got it in my last box. Bunk. Tom Bunk, a cartoonist. Chris Bryant, David Wright, Victor Robles, Luis Castillo. There's a nice rookie. Jake Cronenworth. We got the Beach Tree. That is a different one than the first one we got. And David Wright Mini. Alright, so we got Hanson, Freddie Freeman, Gleyber Torres, Jeffers rookie, Vlad Sr., Marcus Semien, Didi Gregorius, just a regular mini, and a Scarlet Oak. So we're getting a lot of the tree cards. I don't know how big that set is. It seems like I've never got, I don't remember getting duplicates of any of those, but I probably have. For Estevan Florial rookie, Joe Adell rookie. Let's leave that one. Acuna, Andy Young rookie, Trevor Lawrence. I've been wanting to get this card. Who knows, if Trevor Lawrence ends up being a great quarterback, which he was the #1 pick, so he's got a chance to. Some people might consider this kind of like a rookie type card. I don't know. Alan Ginter has some weird cards that end up being very popular, so this might be a really good card to have. Reese Hoskins, Hyacinth Macaw, Birds of a Feather, and Mount Castle rookie A&G back. Miguel Sano, Taylor Trammell rookie, Steve Carlton, Rafael Devers, Randall Cunningham. I haven't gotten that card yet. Joe Strawberry, Stan Musial, and there is a rookie, Cabrian Hayes Murad. See how this is way off center? It's really thick over here and up here and thin down there. That's how most of mine have been. So that's an A&G back. So I was interested to see a couple of those first couple ones were really well centered. Aaron Nola, Ted Williams, Christian Yelich, Gary Sanchez, Paul Goldschmidt, Kirby Yates. Ooh, that's neat. Oh, I like that one. This is in Australia. Okay, hold on. That is Derek Jeter, Murad. See, now that one is nice centering on that. These are not easy to get. World's largest Uluru Rock. That's in Australia. I get a nice, good view of that. Really cool. I love these insert minis. They're great. I'd love to collect that world's largest mini set. Trevor Bauer, Andrew Vaughn, rookie. I'd go and sleeve Andrew Vaughn. I think he's a really good prospect. I think he's in top 20 prospects right now. William McCovey, Kim. I'm not sure how to pronounce his last name, so I'm just calling her Kim NG. Alex Kirilloff, rookie. Dick Allen. There is a Christian Yelich, Murad, and another one of these. I like this set too, the Far, Far Away Constellations. I love space stuff. So another mini set that's right up my alley. All right. This guy, he got injured this year, but he was a decent pitcher. Kohei Arihara, it's a rookie. Andres Jimenez, rookie. Roy Campanella. Oh, we got a rip card. Yes. Man, that just came out of nowhere. Christian Yelich. So this is this year's, what these rip cards look like this year. Man, it seems really thin, but it is a rip card. Oh, that's a nice mini. Alec Bohm. Ooh. Back of that. Okay, and we got a great white shark. That's sick. Okay, So this is this year's rip card. I like the look of it. It looks nice. Christian Yelich, 23 out of 99. And just like that Altuve, it says rip it or keep it. Or it actually says rip it or keep. This is a genuine Allen Ginter rip card. If you dare, rip this card open to discover a collectible exclusive mini card embedded inside. Inside this card will be just like the other one. Could be a mini red ink auto, an exclusive mini parallel, mini wood, mini metal, or a sketch card. So I keep my sketch cards, not sketch cards. I keep my rip cards sealed, unripped. But someday I will open them. But if I do open them, I'll do it on the channel. I guarantee you. Okay, so that's an awesome hit. That was my goal out of these last few boxes. Ooh, I think we might have got an auto too. So it looks like the hits are on the bottom of this box. Let's go ahead and open this pack. I'm going to save these hits for the end. Keston Hiura, Roger Clemens, Sixto Sanchez, that's a nice rookie. Vlad Jr., Ricky Henderson, David Cohn, JD Martinez mini, and Johnny Bench insert. Go ahead and open this. We'll save that one. Yeah, I don't know what to do. This pack actually feels quick to me. But they've been surprising me with extra cards in some of these packs. Casey Mize, that's a nice rookie. Don Sutton, Ernie Banks, Victor Gonzalez, rookie. Bobby Monahan, Sparky Anderson, another mini Alec Bohm. That's an A&G back. That's even better because it's rare. And Hall of Famer Rod Carew insert. All right, this pack we got Mike Piazza, David Price, Ichiro, Luis Gonzalez, Larry Doby, Max Fried. Oh, there's a mini back there. I've never gotten one of these yet. There's an Edwin Encarnacion insert. These must be pretty rare. World Leaders, Loffen of Sweden. Another really cool mini insert. All right, let's go ahead and open this. Alex Vertigo, Sonny Gray, Austin Hayes, Brady Singer, rookie, German Marquez, mini, rookie. Oh, Rallying Back, the Bald Eagle. That's cool. And, oh, Vlad Jr. Bat Relic. That's sweet. Okay, I'm happy with that. Man, I've probably sounded like a broken record if you've watched my other boxes of this, but I'm very excited. I've been very lucky to get bat relics rather than jersey relics, so I'm glad they included more bat relics this year. So that is a sweet bat that Vlad Jr. hits with, because he is a very good hitter, getting a lot of hits out of his bats. All right, so now let's see. I think this is an auto in this other pack here. So we got Jose Ramirez, Josh Naylor, Daz Cameron, rookie, Kevin Kiermaier. We got a black tip shark. We got Nomar Garciaparra, mini, and Marquez. So Braylon Marquez autograph. So what a great box. And you don't usually get this good of boxes with Allen Ginter. We got some nice rookie cards. We got a Braylon Marquez on-card auto mini. We got a Vlad Jr. Bat relic and a rip card. So you usually don't get a rip card and an auto in the same box. So very cool box. All right. And I wanted to check this shark, see if they gave us doubles on the sharks, and they didn't. We got different sharks though. All right. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Actually, I bet you we probably get some triple relic boxes because we've had some nice couple boxes from the Cards Infinity boxes. All right, stay tuned for more videos later.